What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got something pretty cool in store for you guys today. Something that's a little different than what I normally do on my YouTube channel, but it's gonna be a real fun day today. Guys, we just made it to Glamis, California. This is horsepower heaven. We're in the sand dunes, and as you see behind me, we got some of the baddest cars to ever touch sand. And maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to catch a ride in one of these things and show you what it's like to be in these things. But I'm super stoked. It's gonna be super fun, so can't wait to show you.
We built it originally to go 200 miles an hour, but the races aren't 200 miles an hour, they're quick, right? So if you're hitting 150, that's all you need out here to race. The key to racing out here is quick. Yeah. You gotta be quick. I'm Jeff PONT with One Bad Toy Factory. I've been doing it for about 20 years out here in Glamis. I just love it. It mimics racing for me. So we've gone out, we've got 4 cars, we got another car on the way. We've got a One Bad Funko, One Bad Beauty, One Bad Beast, and One Bad Bull. So I kind of name all my cars One Bad just to give them a name. I love this sport, and I love every builder out here. I love every mechanic builder out here. Everything to do with this sport, I support them all, from the UTV world to the sand car world to the truck world. This is just amazing for me. And the other thing is this sport really brings my family together. All my kids have RS1s or sand cars. They love it.
So, this right here is One Bad Funko. This is my buddy Jeff PONT's car, and this thing is an absolute work of art. Actually, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this car is in a video game. It's in one of the Forza video games, which is pretty epic to be sitting right here next to this thing. Yeah, I mean, big twin turbo LS. It's got air ride. It's got heated seats. I mean, killer paint job. This car is absolutely a work of art, and man, oh man, you just have to see for yourself. Take a look at this thing.
My name's JAIME Gamboa. I work for Mr. PONT, Jeff PONT, One Bad Toy Factory. We have here is the One Bad F9. This is one of 2 Funkos that he had purchased. The other one was One Bad Funko. That one's gone now. But you can see it's got doors. It's got a Motec C1212 on the dash. We'll show you some of these little tricks that we got going on here. Rides on airbags. Here's the controller for the airbags right over here. It has 8 buttons, all preset. This last one here is to air it down.
Look at that. I'm literally trying to, like, that's I'm not acting. I'm the worst actor, but that handshake is real. It's nerve-wracking because this thing's no joke. You know, we use the term only 2,000 horsepower. That's a ton of horsepower, and especially in something this light. Not only something this light, but with this much grip. What people don't really understand is when you're up and moving, these tires have so much grip, and it moves the car out so flippin' hard that it's honestly, I mean, I'm sure if we put a G meter in this thing, it's probably close to over 2 Gs of acceleration. So it's almost 1-to-1 power to weight ratio. It's damn near it, which is insane. Like, a Lamborghini is like 4 or 5 pounds per horsepower. This is 1-to-1. This thing is just next level, I promise you. So right now, Shane in the One Bad Bull, he's got his GPS up, so with everything looking like this, looking like exactly the same, it's a little tough. So we're going to use GPS to find exactly where we need to go. We just got to the sand drags. It is a shit show, as to be expected. It's Saturday, it's Halloween weekend. There are thousands of people out here. I'm supposed to be racing the Beast tonight. I don't think I'm gonna do it. There's just too many people. It's not safe. I mean, it's a party here. Not mad about it. We're gonna take the Beast back to pad 3. Hopefully get a couple people to line up, and then we'll do some pulls with it and see what a couple thousand horsepower feels like. But until then, I'm gonna drive Old Faithful. It's a nice, easy 1600 horsepower car, so we'll have some fun with it. Completely closed off. All right, so Jaime and I are kind of scheming right now. We want to make some passes because it's really smooth on the left side of the drags, right? But if you look at the entrance, it's all pinched off because people want to see in front of each other. And if you look at the line, it all comes in a curve. So it's really pinched off at the entrance and it's pinched off at the ending. So at 150, 160 miles an hour, you can't make quick adjustments. So we're kind of trying to figure out how we're going to run this.
It's a little sketchy today, but I think we're gonna see if we get a couple of hits in.
So you guys, we're not gonna race here at the drag tonight. It's just way too sketchy. We gotta just be mature about it. 2,000 plus horsepower is no joke, and you cover a lot of distance really fast. If someone darts out from the crowd or comes over, there's no stopping it. So we're probably just gonna go back to camp, pick up some races there, and see what we can do back at camp. All right, so this is my buddy Anthony Rice. He's out here in Glamis with us.
What's up, guys?
Tell me a little bit about this car.
So this car was built a couple years ago by my dad, and he just bought it back from a couple other people that have had it. We've redone everything. Like, this used to be a green car and now it's red. We re-chromed everything, put a bigger motor in it. This motor is from Redline Performance, and the head owner over there, that was his boat motor, like his backup boat motor. But we got it from him, and then we put it in here. It's been running pretty solid. It's a 442 cubic inch with, I can't tell you the turbo size, but they're pretty big. Yeah, it's definitely a runner.
I'm gonna get a ride in his car. He's gonna drive it. I'm gonna see how fast it is so I can kind of, you know, link it up a little bit, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go grab a helmet. I'm gonna go sit passenger in this car, see how fast it really is, and yeah. We'll see if we can go pick another race with someone else, because I want to race tonight, so we're gonna see what happens. Hey, you got some cash on you?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Yeah, always.
All right. Kinda, you want to race? I'll race you guys. I want a 30 roll, 40 roll? How fast? 30? 30? 30 from the left. All right. Hey, Anthony, 30 roll? All right, let's do it. took off at
Yeah, we
damn
both
near
took off at the same time, and then
it was
The
even.
problem is, though, you're starting in third and I'm starting in second. So you go with second.
well, I'm geared a lot shorter than you are, so I mean
Yeah.
it's
But you get
Are
there
yours a
quicker.
5-speed or 6-speed?
They're both 5-speed.
Five speeds?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I could see you're in third and I'm in second, so I'm short shifting third real quick.
Yeah.
And then as soon as I get into third, I hit the scramble.
Okay.
You see, that's when I just go.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
didn't
'cause
see y'all in front of us. I didn't see y'all in front of us until we lifted.
we were door to door until
Yeah.
we wheeled and then he had a lift.
Yeah, and then I had to lift because you can't go up.
That was-
What boost setting was you on?
I was on high boost on that time.
No, you gotta start.
Yeah.
Where you're, I'm not gonna tell you that trick.
You almost started to talk.
Yeah.
Wow.
Griffin knows when it's like leaving the line. You don't leave the line up.
You can't leave it on all the beans.
Yeah, you gotta.
You gotta be nice to it. You gotta feed it.
That's why we're even, because I'm only at 18 pounds, and then as soon as
you
I get my
climb.
motor going, yeah, then I just.
Well, it's that hill right there. It's that
Well,
second.
yeah, you guys were going like
It's
this
that
big
second little
race
hill.
to start at.
Well, I felt like were we getting close to them or like I felt like we were getting.
Well, when you guys were in Willie, I could.
Yeah.
I felt like
I felt like we were getting.
We
close.
were probably within 10 feet of each other.
That was still what 140,
Yeah, we were
Yeah.
easily like 140. Yeah.
and you guys are younger, so you guys stay into it. Like this gentleman said, he goes, yeah, I can tell you're the more cautious driver. But it's fun as long as we're all.
Oh yeah, it's all fun.
Cars are running good still.
No, it's good. They're healthy and yeah, nothing broke. So that was.
Appreciate it, Griffin, as always, brother.
Thank you guys for
Good racing.
having me,
Yeah.
taking me for rides in these badass cars, and when I build my car, we'll have to
Yeah,
race.
definitely.
Yeah. Alrighty, you guys. I hope you guys had half as much fun as we did today. We finally got a race in. I want to give a big thank you to the PONT family, to the Rice family. Such an amazing group of people. This Glamis community is a big old family. They all love the same thing. They all love going fast. They love horsepower, and they just love having fun. I can't wait to get one of these things for my own. It's gonna be rowdy. Hopefully one day we can do it soon. But until then, you guys, make sure you like, subscribe, do all those fun things. We got a lot of cool stuff in store. This is not the end of it. Trust me, just follow. You'll enjoy it.